Is your Steam controller not being recognized? Here's how to fix it quickly. First, open Steam and go to Settings, and then in Settings go to Controller, and in Controller, make sure the Steam input is enabled for each type of controllers, and the right controller type is enabled. Next, unplug your controller and plug in a different USB port or cable. If you're on wireless, try reconnecting the dongle or repairing via Bluetooth. Also, update your Steam client and controller firmware. Outdated software often causes recognition issues. If it still doesn't work, go to Device Manager on Windows, find the controller under USB devices, right-click, and choose Uninstall device. Then restart your PC and reconnect the controller so Windows reinstall the drivers. Finally, make sure no other apps like these for Windows or third-party input mappers are interfering. Close them before launching Steam. And that's it. Your Steam controller should now be recognized and ready to use. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.